guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique. Welcome. Today's video I'm gonna try not to do a lot of talking, even though you know that that's really hard for me because I like to explain everything into like too much detail. But my throat started swelling up during the night, and so I'm having a hard time with it. Sometimes I feel like it'll like catch or something. It almost sounds normal, but then it like wavers back out again. Anyways, I just wanted to do a more simple and easy tutorial for you guys for Halloween. One of my friends is coming over this week, well actually on Halloween, for me to do her makeup for work, and she wanted to be a unicorn, so I was like, well, if I have to create a look anyways, I might as well just go ahead and film it. And then also one of my favorite little people in the world, her name is Natalie, she is going to be a unicorn for Halloween, and so I really wanted to do this video for her as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and then also comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see next. But most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. Alright, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm using this Sigma 3D HD beauty blender or beauty sponge to blend this out. This is like my new favorite foundation beauty sponge. For brows, I'm going to go in with Diva. Next, I'm going to go in with I'm Royalty. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Breakfast at Tiffany's. Then I'm going to take the Louise base and clean up those brows and prime my eyes with it. For my eyes today, I was really inspired by this Lime Crime ad that they have out right now for their 10th birthday collection, and this girl's makeup, just like her eyeshadow, like just really inspired me and just kind of blew me away. And I'm just gonna use this Jeffree Star collection. This is like the Equality collection, and as you can see, it has just a rainbow assortment liquid lipsticks in it, and you guys see me use these all the time. I use them in all of my videos for eyebrows, for eyeliner, for waterline liner, everything. So that's what I'm gonna go in with, and I'm just gonna like hold it up and I'm just gonna like point and do it. This is probably not gonna be the easiest thing for me to pull off because my eyes are so hooded, but I'm gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, then I'll just erase it and go in with a rainbow look. I'm starting off with I'm Royalty. Okay, now that I have the purple shade laid down, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some shadow shields just because I want the rest of these to curve up more. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Equality. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Queen Bee. I got really super messy with that yellow shade, so I'm going to go back in with the green just to clean that up a little. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Flamethrower. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Diva. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Breakfast at Tiffany's. Next, I'm going to take some of this holographic chunky glitter, and this is in the shade Charisma. I'm going to try to link this below because my husband got me this from Amazon. And what I want to do is just pick up one of these little stars, and I'm using this MAC mixing medium. And I just want to place a star like right down here at the end. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go in with this shade Glucose from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dust this around because I kind of want it to look like a little cloud, like just a soft little cloud. I'm going to go ahead and take these off. So now it just looks like a rainbow tail, or like a mane, like a unicorn mane, which I think is so cool. I'm just going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Virginity, and I'm going to use a JHL2 brush, and I'm just going to contour around the edge of my face. Okay, I had to go change my shirt because those straps on that other one were just like getting in my way. I'm going to go into the Blood Sugar palette and grab this pink shade right here. I'm going to go in on a JH36 brush, and I'm going to try to make it look like I have collarbones, even though I don't. I mean, I do, but they're like way down in there. I'm just going to use a JH05 to like diffuse that a little bit. So I'm just like creating lines where I think that my collarbones are, because let's just be real, I can't even find them underneath all of this fluff. And then again, I'm just going to diffuse that. For mascara, I don't know if I'm going to go on false lashes yet. I haven't decided. I kind of just want to let this stand out on its own. So I'm going to go in with the YSL Final Couture. I got it with like a code when I ordered something from Sephora, and it's like a blue mascara, so that's what I'm going to use. And since I'm probably not going to use lashes today, I'm going to go in with this Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to line my top waterline. I'm going to go ahead and conceal just a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I don't want to go in with a whole lot underneath my bottom lash line, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this shade called Cake Mix. I'm going to use a JH37 and just blend that underneath that lash line. I'm actually going to go ahead and mix in just a little bit of this purple shade in too. And then for my waterline, I'm going to go in with Blue Velvet because it's one of the only shades that I didn't use. And then I'm going to go back in with that YSL mascara. I'm going to use that on my bottom lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and take off those stars, because there should be like a little imprint now. I saw a girl on Instagram do that, and I think her name is Rocio. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will put it like right down here so you guys can go check her out because she's awesome. I am going to go back in with this pink shade, and I'm just going to use it to give myself a little bit more of a defined contour. And then I'm going to go back in with that JH05 and blend it out a little bit and make it a little bit softer, but I still want to keep it intense. Okay, I've had my wig pulled up so that I could get to everything, and now I'm going to pull it back down a little bit, and I'm just going to place a little bit of that darker contour shade around the outer edges. I'm going to put a little bit of that color right here. Oh shoot, this has black on it. No! Okay, well, that is very unfortunate. I'm going to go into the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go into this green shade right here called Hell Yeah. Just going to dust a little bit of that on my brow bone. I'm going to go in with this highlighting shade by Kylie Cosmetics called Go Ghost, and I'm going to just highlight the tops of my cheeks. Around this a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of that down the center of my nose and on the tip of it. Gonna highlight right over top of this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And then I'm gonna mix Spectra and Orion. And I'm just gonna place that on the balls of my cheeks. And go over a little bit right there. Next, I'm gonna take Eclipse. And I'm just going to highlight the center of my forehead with that. I mean, I'm pretty much covering my entire face in highlight because I can. Because it's a unicorn look and I feel like it's acceptable. I'm actually going to put just a little bit of that because I just want that to be like a very neon-y. I'm just like mixing different shades in here. I just want it all to be very, very glowy and just different. No, I don't think that I could have made my face any more glowy than what it is, but next we're gonna go in with glitter. Okay, so I just got super hungry, and trying to eat this Epic bar is probably like the worst decision I could have made because it's like really disgustingly sticking to my teeth. I'm so sorry. But I'm so hungry. So I have this glitter cosmetics glitter collection Isolori, and I got this from Amazon, and I will link it down below. And it's got like some different shades. I'm gonna use like this bluish turquoise shade. I'm gonna use this purpley shade, and then I'm gonna go back in and use some of that silver shade that I originally used. I'm going to take some more of this MAC mixing medium, and I'm just going to kind of dab it around my face right here, and then I'm going to dip my brush into those glitters. This is the purple one, and then this is the blue one, and then this is the silver one, and I'm making such a huge mess. I'm going to put a little bit of that right here so that I can have like some of the cheesy unicorn glitter tears. And I think I'm just going to use the purple for that. And then I think I'm going to use just a little bit right here. Probably these blue ones. And if I could keep my hair out of it, that would be so much better, but it's probably not gonna happen. I'm trying really hard not to go like overboard and extra, but you guys know that that's like really hard for me to do. And then I'm gonna just put some down here. Okay, and so I've just put that glitter like where you would highlight for the collarbone stuff. Okay, so for lips, I'm just gonna go in with all kinds of glitter lip glosses, and the main three I'm gonna use is Don't Slip, Chill Pill, and Go Bananas from Kylie Cosmetics. And so I'm gonna start off with Don't Slip. Next, I'm gonna go in with Chill Pill. And then I'm gonna go in with Go Bananas. So I feel like this, you know, just isn't really giving the effect I want. So I think instead I'm going to go in with a gold glitter from that Amazon assortment that I have. And I'm just going to put a little bit on each side so it almost looks like, you know, the gold at the end of the rainbow. Okay, so I'm just going to let my hair down. Oh god, I'll never get all the glitter out of this wig. And I got this little unicorn headband from Amazon. I'll try to link that below as well. And I'm just gonna stick it right in there like this, so that hopefully the headband is hidden by my hair mostly. And I'm gonna have to roll back in my chair so that you can see the horn. Or let me see if I can. Let's see, does that work? Yes. Awesome. Alright, that's it. That concludes this really easy unicorn basic Halloween costume look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to tune in to my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment down below. That is super important. Please subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.